Why mark your calendar for this retreat? Well, in a world filled with confusion, chaos, and stress, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and uncertain about how to navigate various aspects of life. If you find yourself identifying with these feelings, whether it's dealing with family dynamics, emotional and mental challenges, or even financial burdens, and if you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, of feeling exhausted and burnt out, then it's time to give yourself the gift of this retreat.
See, this retreat offers you the opportunity to step back, take a break, and rejuvenate your mind, body, and spirit. By registering now, you are making a conscious choice to prioritize your well-being and investing in living your life enthusiastically. So say yes to a transformative experience that will equip you with valuable tools, insights, and connections to live life with enthusiasm and vitality. Click on the button below and register now.